ICD 10 PCS Coding Assignment by Carol Biggs for the class of MC28-8 International Classification of Diseases 10 PCS Coding with Professor Patton. How the PCS code is formatted. Based on information about the procedure performed, each character specifying the section, body system, root operation, body part, approach, device, and qualifier are assigned. Each position in the 7-character alphanumeric code has a different meaning for the character in that specific position. How many characters are in the PCS code? ICD-10 PCS has a 7-character alphanumeric code structure. Each character contains up to 34 possible values. Each value represents a specific option for the general character definition. Example, stomach is one of the values for the body part character. The 10 digits 0 through 9 and the 24 letters A through H, J through N, and P through Z may be used in each character. The letters O and I are not used in order to avoid confusion with the digits 0 and 1. Details of the characters. The first character refers to the section that identifies the general type of procedure, such as medical, surgical, obstetrics, and so on. The second character refers to the body system, such as central nervous system. The third character refers to the root operations. Some examples are bypass, excision, and drainage. The fourth character refers to the body part, such as coronary vein or left leg. The fifth character refers to the approach of the procedure. Example is open or percutaneous. The sixth character refers to the device, such as autologous tissue substitute. Not all procedures will have a device, in which case the device would be Z. Seventh character refers to the qualifier, example diagnostic. Not all procedures will have a qualifier, in which case the qualifier would be Z. A note that for myself that I found out about the fourth character, that is the body part, is if the prefix peri is combined with a body part to identify the site of the procedure is not further specified, then the procedure is coded to the body part named. Chapters in the PCS code book. First we start with index, then tables, then appendices, then root operations definitions, then comparison of medical and surgical root operations. Next would be body part key. Next is device key and aggregation table. After that is type and type qualifier definitions. Next is character meanings. After that is answers to coding exercises from front of the PCS book. And then the last is illustrations. How a coder uses the PCS code manual to build appropriate ICD-10 PCS codes. First, I would read the documentation to decide what procedures are procedure to code. Then I would determine how the procedure matches to a root operation. I look up the root operation in the alphabetic index in the ICD-10 PCS codebook. Next, I find the body part in the table characters. Once I find the table characters, I would go to the table in the table portion of the ICD-10 PCS codebook and build the remaining characters in our PCS code to assign the complete 7-character ICD-10 PCS code. My scenario. The patient presented in the emergency room with pain in the buttocks area, trouble having bowel movements, and urinary retention. The patient was diagnosed with a perineal abscess. The doctor decided a surgery was needed to drain the abscess. This surgery would be reported with the ICD-10 PCS code 0J990ZZ. The first character refers to the section, which was medical, and that was the letter 0. The second character refers to the body system, which was subcutaneous tissue and fascia, which was the letter J. The third character refers to the root operations, which was drainage, and that was the number 9. The fourth character refers to the body part, Since the paperwork only said perineal, then will code the body part, the buttocks. And that's the number 9. The 5th character refers to the approach, and that was open, and that was the letter 0. The 6th character refers to the device, and there was no device, so that was the letter Z. The 7th character refers to the qualifier. There was no qualifier, so that was the letter Z. And that's how I got the code for this procedure. And this last slide is my reference page. I had fun making this PowerPoint, and I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you for listening to it. The end.